it's me, Emily. I am back. I know, it's so exciting. This is actually a super fun video. It's actually sponsored, which I'm so grateful for. It's sponsored by Her Campus and the Influencer Collective, and it's their Fall Essentials box. And I will have an Instagram story playing now, basically showing you what all was in the package that I'm so grateful to have gotten. So I'm going to show you some of that and kind of just what's in my travel bag, because believe it or not, I work in videography and podcasting and a lot of photography, so I had to take a lot of gear with me when I go on location and when I'm just working a lot. So I want to show you what I have in my gear bag. So, without further ado, let's get started. Okay. It's a little heavy, I must admit. The first thing I have is this Ellie backpack from High Sierra. It's this really pretty coral color. This is actually the color I've been wanting for a while now. It's just like so pretty, and I love it. There's a dedicated tech sleeve inside, so if you have an iPad or even a laptop, which life hack I will show you later, there's just so many good things about this backpack. So we're just going to hop right into it and go through the pockets. From the biggest pocket, which is this one right here, which just is a drawstring open and close. There's a lot in here, I will admit, so just stay with me. So the first thing I'm pulling out is this, and if you guys don't own a camera, then you don't know what this is. Basically, it's what you put on the back of the lens and the front of the camera to keep them. They're kind of like dust protectors. I'm not sure on the technical name, but because I'm recording on my camera right now, I can't exactly show you that my camera's in my bag. So this is my representation. I, again, work in videography, photography, podcasting, so my camera goes everywhere with me. So a huge part of it is having all of my camera gear and pieces just like this. So with that, this is stuck. So with that, I actually have this mic. I know, it looks a little weird. Basically last year at Disneyland, I broke it. Where it was supposed to be connected, snapped off in the middle of our day. So I came home crying because it was a $100 microphone, and I was like, I don't want to replace it. And my dad fixed it, and it works like a charm. And yes, I'm not using it on my video. Sometimes I don't want to use it and plug it in and, you know. The next is my power zoom adapter. It's honestly amazing. I put it on my camera, it stabilizes things, it takes off a ticking noise that I know a lot of people struggle with when they have a microphone plugged into their camera, so it's really important. Next, I just have my super cute headphones. I literally wear these everywhere. So these I use for editing, for recording podcast episodes. I could also use it as a monitor on my camera, so it's just really great to have. Next thing I have is this makeup bag, which has kind of touch-up makeup for if I'm doing a photo shoot or a video shoot where I'm recording people who are going to be like talking to the camera or just going to be like the main focus. It's a good thing to kind of touch up their makeup in a way. And some of the amazing things I have in here are these Almay Goddess glosses. I have 4 different shades that I actually got through Her Campus. It's so amazing. Fairy is actually the one I'm wearing right now. I super love it. I've been wearing it a lot recently. Super cute, super pretty. They're brand new and from Almay, and I definitely think if you haven't already checked them out, you should. Other than that, in my makeup bag, I just have a couple of powders and like a sponge to kind of like fix things up and make everything look good again. Next, I just have some deodorant because if you're working outside, it's gonna get hot. You know how it is. I also have my notebook where basically I write down all of the shots I'm gonna be getting or questions for an interview guest if I'm going on a remote interview, because I don't want to waste internet data. I don't want to be playing with my phone. So having everything written down is a huge, huge, huge help. So inside, there's actually 2 pockets and a dedicated zipper pocket inside the bag, which is awesome. And in that, I just keep my little card holder because I like this instead of a wallet. It's less bulky. I still am able to carry everything I need. So definitely, definitely need it. It also has this bottle opener, which, spoiler alert, I don't drink. I'm 19. Why would I drink? This I actually use to tighten the bottom of my tripod, because if you're taking your thing on and off the tripod, you don't want to have the little tripod attachment connected to it. And because mine is one of those ones where you need a screw to unscrew it and re-screw it in, it kind of gets annoying. So I have this, and it just fits perfectly. The little piece up here just fits perfectly in there to twist it. So, life hack. The last thing I have in here, believe it or not, is in the back tablet section, and it is actually my laptop. It literally goes everywhere with me. I'm afraid to leave the house without it sometimes. This is what my laptop looks like. I'm forever adding and changing and taking away stickers, so you never know what you're going to see on there. They're just really, really great, and it's a great way to tell which way my laptop works, because, ta-da, smart. So, that's it for the big pocket. Now we're going to get into the smaller pockets. We have 2 on each side. 1, 2. So we're going to go into those first. Now, believe it or not, in my side pockets I don't keep a lot of things just because it's super easy for people to get in there. But one thing I do love to carry in my side pocket is lotion, because my hands will get so dry, especially if I'm out filming in the cold or the wind. So I have this Bliss Lemon and Sage Body Butter. It smells heavenly, guys. Heavenly. I'm obsessed with it. It moisturizes your skin so well, and it's really cool. This is the travel size, and there's also a full size that I have too. But the travel size just works because it's small, compact, it's easy to keep in your bag. I also keep hand sanitizer, but to be quite honest, I don't know where it is. Oopsies. Okay, so we emptied out the sides. Now we're on to the front pocket. Now what's super cool about this backpack is not only do you get the tablet and tech sleeve in it, you also get this really cool pencil bag in it. Now again, like I said, this is not a back to school haul, so this is actually quite different from me. So in here, I keep my laptop charger. I keep my dongle and my SD card reader because, again, always working. And then I just keep a simple pen. It's really just for me to write notes down in my notebook without keeping it on my notebook, because sometimes I'm just like afraid I won't have it. So that takes us to the last and final thing in my bag, believe it or not. Usually sometimes there's like a sweatshirt thrown in if it's going to be cold, or maybe my phone charger if I'm going to be out for a while. But mainly that's what I have, other than these. If only I could do that Princess Mia. Hold on. I don't know, did that work? Yeah, so I just have my cards, and that's it for my tech bag. I have to say, I love this bag so much. It's really, really durable. It actually is waterproof. So this fabric is really easy to take out if I'm filming out and it starts raining or whatever. I am okay with it because I know my equipment won't get ruined, which if you have a lot of money invested in equipment, that's a huge fear. I know it. Everybody who's creative knows how much money you put into your gear and how careful you want to be with it. So having a bag like this where it is water resistant, waterproof, it's just really, really, really great. It also still has that new backpack smell, and so yes, that is what's in my tech bag for when I'm traveling. I hope you guys understood my rambling. All of the products that I mentioned for the video, including the Owlmate Goddess Gloss, the Bliss Body Butter, the backpack, and some other products that also came in the package that don't necessarily have a place in this video, will all be linked down below if you guys want to go shop them. It's super, super amazing that I was given this, and I'm so glad to be a part of this campaign, and I hope you guys are as glad as I am, because it's honestly really cool. I hope you guys liked this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Make sure you follow me on all my social medias. They're always linked down below. Make sure you go listen to my podcast and let me know what you think. Yeah, I'll be back next week? No, I'll be back sooner than next week with a new video. Bye! If you ever